Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic analytical geometry, we'll now understand about angle between two lines. Consider this graph. This is your y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is the origin. These are two lines. Consider this as line AB, and this is line CD. Assuming the angle between these two as theta, and assuming this angle as theta 1, and then this angle as theta 2. This intersecting point, we'll assume it as P. So whatever we wrote, let me write that. Let AB and CD be two straight lines whose equations are y is equal to m1x plus c1 and y equal to m2x plus c2 respectively. Where m1 is the slope of AB, which is nothing but tan theta 1, and m2 is the slope of CD. Okay, I wrote here for AB, I wrote it as theta 2. This one is tan theta 1. Let capital B be the point of intersection of AB and CD. We had already seen that angle X consider this point and this point. Let us give some names to it, E and F. The intersecting point of those lines on the x-axis. Angle X E P XED is theta 1 and angle X F D is theta 2. Okay, we know that some of this here there is a triangle being formed, EPF. In triangle EPF, EPF, yeah. Angle theta 1 plus theta plus angle PFE is equal to 180 degrees. Also, this PFE Since it is on this x-axis, this should be 180 degrees minus theta. Also, will BFE FE is equal to 180 degrees minus theta 2. This, let us call it as 1, this let us call it as 2. Therefore, we can write 1 as theta 1 plus theta plus 180 degrees minus theta 2 equal to 180 degrees. Subtracting both sides by 180 degrees, we will have theta 1 plus theta plus theta 2, sorry, not plus, minus theta 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Or, sorry, not 180, it is 0 because we subtracted both sides by 180 degrees. So that means our theta can be written as this negative theta 2, that side if I take it becomes positive, this one becomes negative. Applying tan on both sides, tan theta is equal to tan of theta 2 minus theta 1. No. By applying trigonometric formula, this can be rewritten as tan, sorry, tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 divided by 1 plus tan theta 2 tan theta 1. Is tan theta is equal to this tan theta 2 is what? Somewhere we wrote, yeah, tan theta 2 is nothing but m1, tan theta 1 is nothing but m2. So m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Or we can say theta as tan inverse of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, which gives the angle between the two lines. So that is the derivation of it.